In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Roblox IP ban. Let's get started. So first, let's understand why an IP ban can happen. One common reason is violating Roblox terms of service, which includes bullying, harassment, or sharing inappropriate content. Another reason is suspicious activity like using cheats, exploiting bugs, or trying to gain unfair advantage in games. And lastly, posting or sharing inappropriate content that goes against Roblox community guidelines can also result into a ban. Now let's move on to solutions. If you believe the ban was a mistake, go to Roblox support website and submit an appeal. Enter your username, email, and provide any details or evidence that supports your case. Next up, use a VPN. VPN can change your IP address and help you reconnect. You can use a VPN service, install it on your device, and then connect to a different server before launching Roblox again. This may allow you to access the game again depending on your situation. Next up, restart your router. If you have a dynamic IP address, simply turning your router off for a few minutes and turning it back on can assign you a new IP address, which may help bypass the restriction. Lastly, switching network. You can try changing from Wi Fi to mobile data or vice versa, as a different network can sometimes give you a fresh IP and restore access. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.